still in Vegas, still at Aria. Oh, I am bouncing around everywhere, and I was just playing these. Shit, I was betting like 50 cents, and then I was betting $5 on dimes. Just trying to see what was gonna work, and I just went down to $2 on 2 cent. Yep. And got a bonus, pretty decent. Better than what I was getting on the 10-cent denomination. Betting $5. Oh, last spin. That's fine. That was a pretty decent bonus. Oh, calm down. Hopefully my bonuses will get bigger from here. Because apparently it likes the 2-cent denomination. It's loud as shit, right? It's a loud ass machine, bro. Okay, alright.
Don't you know I hate you?
Thank you, baby. I hate you too. Jason just got back to his machine. Say hi. Alright. Alright, 182 bucks, and I will see you on the next one. Okay, I went up to the nickel denomination, betting 50 nickels. What's that, 250? Anyway, I got this goofy ass bonus. I've been getting the Holden spins on these, or the 6 spins with 100. Watch it give me the least shit. Oh, Holden spin, yay! As long as it's not the... Jason, he's funny. As long as it's not the 6 free spins with a 25 wild, because that one pisses me off, guys. Like, that one's not worth getting. Ew, balls. I have yet to get any words except for on pennies. Oh dear.
You suck at life.
You suck at life. Last spin. Oh, good.
Oh, what are you walking out?
You know what? Nobody's talking to you. That one's $10.
Yes, it's day.
Oh, 50. That's $25. You jealous, Big Daddy? I don't call him Big Daddy. I'm just messing with him. Come on, give me a word. Any word. Mini boy, perhaps? Oh, no. What do you think?
You're a failure.
Yeah, I know. Learned it from you. Oh, that sucked. Okay, well, what do we got?
Horrible.
Go sit down. They're going to take your machine. They're taking your machine, stupid. Oh, my God. I don't know why I break him. See, I got 182 on the 2 cent. I got 62.50 on nickels. Ew. Okay, I stayed on nickels, and a few spins later, it gave me another hold and spin bonus. Started out a little better this time. Got me a $50 mini boy. And what's 750 nickels? Is that like almost $40? Probably. Come on, give us the minor. Or the major. I'm actually mad because I played this machine for the last couple days and got the major up to $1,000. And I just got here and some lady was on it and she hit my major for $1,000. I was so upsetty spaghetti. Shush. Alright, well that's better than the last one. But still not as good as my 2 cent bonus. Alright, 132 bitty. See you on the next one. Well, I was about to go back up to dimes off of nickels, and it gave me another bonus. Although these are some small balls. We're betting, what are we betting? 250? 250, guys. And they're loving these little 250 balls. See? 250 balls. Any words? I love some words. I like to read. You know what I'm saying? Oh, he got a bonus over there. He thinks he's fancy. Betting 50 cents. Ooh, a $10 pool. Well, is that all it's going to give us? No words? No minor? No major? Nothing, little fella? No, guess not. Yeah, well. I don't know if I should stay on nickels or go back to dimes, because it's doing well on nickels. you guys think? Not like you can answer me right now, but leave a comment below actually and let me know if you like it better on the nickel denom, dime denom, or the 1 or 2 cent denom. You know what I'm saying? Because I just kind of bounce around, but whatever you guys want to see is what I will do going forward. You know what I'm saying? Alright, I'll see you on the next one. Okay, well I decided I was going back up to dimes when I hit 200, but it keeps giving me bonuses on nickels. So we're going to stick it out on nickels until we hit 200. Now we got the free games. Still betting 250. Give us something good. Okay, we'll take hold and spin. I haven't had that 6 spin with 25 wilds yet. Literally, you don't understand how much I hate that one. What you really want is, what is it, 15 spins with 200 wilds? Or the hold and spin? Yep, that's what's going to do you the best on these. I need some words, though. Like, you got some words? No. Shizzle. Really? Are you done? Aw, little fella. Last spin. No, it's not. No, it's not. Come on, little fella. Hee Alright. Words. For Peach's sake, you ain't even got a mini in there? I don't care, I'm having fun. Alright. Not too shabby. I mean, not the best. It could have been better, but it could have been worse. 70 bucks. Well, take it. Alright, we switched it up. We're still on Lightning Link, but we moved from this machine to this machine. It didn't like 2 cents. What are you guys doing? What's happening? What's going on here? They're comparing vapes? Okay. Anyway, so we got 4 suitcases, betting 250 on dimes. Hopefully it'll give us a ball in the middle, like the minor perhaps. Or at least something good. No, crap. Come on, little fella. Something good. Shit. No. Some 10s. Woohoo. Wild. Alright, 66.50. Icky. Alright guys, we're literally down to $6 on this machine. Still on dimes, betting 250. And I got the suitcases for the free spins. I'm just hoping it gives us something in the middle. Oh, I got a free trigger on the first spin. We'll take that. I would like a ball or coin or chip or whatever the hell that is in the middle. Casino chip? Yes, maybe. Now another re-trigger. Let's see if it gives us a bunch of spins and nothing to show for it. That's the pessimist in me, guys. Yep. Oh, there's the coin chip. That's a chip. It's a $50 chip. Give us some words, man. Vegas has been kicking my ass. We've been here for friggin' 7 days. You know what? Every time I get 5 of anything in the middle, it doesn't give me another chip. See? Told you. Gosh dang it. Why does it do that? Yesterday I was playing 50 cents or $1 on these, and I kept getting this little 5 in the middle in the bonus, and it would never give me anything besides it. How about another chip, little fella? Now there it went. Alright. Well, I got some cars. Is that worth anything? Oh, 30 bucks. Up to 90. Coin, chip. Chip coin. Come on. Oh, with the wild. Alright, what is that? We're up to 107. 2 more spins. Well, 1 more spin after this. Last spin. You got a chip? Nope. Oh, well, 107. Icky. Well, a bonus is a bonus, I guess. It just dropped a bunch of little bitty numbers on the dimes. Got a bunch of 250s and 750s. $5. Nothing ideal as of yet. What's that? 250. Come on with some words. 750. Where's my big chips? $5. $2.50. Oh, I just saw the major go by right there. Did you see that? I wouldn't kick you out of bed for the major. No, sir. $2.50. Well, biscuits. Well, another $2.50. This one of them little bonuses, y'all. Oh shit, $2.50. How about another $2.50 now? You got that in you? No? I'm shook. No, would you look at that? Wanted to hand it up. $2.50 the entire time until I needed a $2.50. We could use that grand. Yes, we could. Alright, $60. Dimes are not doing that well, guys. We'll see if it changes. Okay, so we really switched it up now. We are on Dragon Link instead of Lightning Link. And we're betting $2 on the 2-cent denomination. This is probably my third bonus over here. I didn't record the other two. I wanted to make sure this was going to be a decent bonusy machine before I started recording. Yeah, this is like my third or fourth bonus. Not bad. Oh, last spin. Yeah, last spin. That's okay. I think my other ones were like 68, 72, 50 something, and 80 something. They're all over the map. Alright, 44. Maybe the next one will be better. See on that one. Woo! Okay. Sorry, guys. Okay, we are at Aria. There's the nightclub right there. On Dragon Link, we got the flag bonus. We've had one of these so far. I didn't film it though, but I got like a bunch of these red boxes that all turned into balls. Oh, there's some dudes. What's up, bro? That's $55. We like that. Wonder if we can get any balls in this one. Phooey. Balls? Nah. I should have recorded the one with all the balls. He was nice. Oh. Well, the dude is prevalent in this one. $84. See you on the next one. Alright, well, 2 cents stopped doing anything, so we went up to 10 cent like 2 spins ago. Getting some little balls, but at least we got a bonus because, yeah, 2 cents. Quit giving us bonuses or anything. I just want the minor. Can we get the minor? Oh, no. Well, nope, can't get shit. Oh, dear. This is sad, guys. $55. Let's hope the next one's better, yeah? And here we go again with our little bitty bonus rounds on a $2.50 bet on Dime Denom. See, that's the difference. The Dragon Links, I find they give you smaller balls, and the Lightning Links, I think, give you bigger balls more often. Yeah, I'm just getting a bunch of 250s, which is not ideal. You know what I'm saying? Oh, good grief. Can't get any words or anything. No, 250. Does this make me the queen of 250? Asking for a friend. Alright, last spin. That's terrible. What is that? 10, 20, 30, 40, 40? Is that $40? Ew. Sure is. The next one has to be better. Yes? Cross your fingers. Alright, I'm getting mad now. So we got down to $100 on dimes. I went to pennies, betting $2.50, got absolutely nothing. Got down to like 51 something and went back to the 2-cent, betting $2 and got a freaking bonus on my first spin. This machine's getting on my nerves, y'all. Could have been some balls. Oh, there's some balls. That's mine. Shit. Okay, well. I guess I can't bitch anymore because we got balls in the bonus. And it's like better than the dimes were. Uh-oh. Well, last spin. Sure was, but that's a $40 ball. Which, like I said, is better than we got on dimes. Although we still have some free spins in the bonus. Maybe it'll do it again. You think? Perhaps? Alright, calm down. That's 58 bucks. What else you got? Ooh, balls! Damn, that would have been some nice balls, bro. Nope, 2 spins left. That could have been some balls. Nope. Alright. Well, what was that? 74. Better than dimes. Alright, well, we're finally starting out better. I was actually going to cash out at 100 bucks. We had 3 spins left, but it landed a $200 ball and 2 minis. Betting $2 on 2 cents. For some reason, this machine always likes... Is it done? It always likes 2 cents better than any other denom. Okay, last spin. Nothing? That's okay. You know what? Because that's the biggest ball it's given us so far. We'll take it. Yes, we will. You know what? For being a Monday night, it's awfully lit up in here. Noisy as shit. Oh, it's because the nightclub is right there. Alright, 246, not too shabby. See you on the next one. Okay, guys. This is the 3rd time I've had these in the last few minutes, except they have been complete crap. I think one was 9 something, one was like 15 or something. I'm not going to post that. That's nasty. Can we get some balls? Oh, there's some balls. See, this one's better. I don't even really care what it gives us as long as it gives us balls in the bonus. It makes me so happy. Oh. Yay, we got balls in the bonus. It is the smallest things that make me happy, you guys. Alright. Well, we're still on, what are we betting? $2 on 2 cents. That's fine and dandy, because you know what? We got balls in the bonus. Yeah, I think I'm going to stay on 2 cents because this machine seems to like 2 cents. And I'm not trying to rock the boat. Nah. Oh, that was our first spin. Was it? Yeah, because this is our second. What the heck? You got any other goodies in there? Oh, a retrigger. We like him. Yes, we do. And this one gives you 6 more spins instead of 3. Oh, we got some girls up there. Hey, girls. What's cracking? Got any more balls? No. I have found when it re-triggers, it doesn't like to give me nothing else. That's okay, though. I'm having fun. That's the point, right? Well, that and to win some money. Kind of doing both. Balls! Check! 2 more spins. Alright, last spin. Balls! No! Alright, 84.80. We'll take it. Okie dokie, we're back in the hold and spin with little balls. Oh, well, that was a lot of balls at once. Is it done? No. Oh, I got the mini boy. He's my little buddy. Now is it done? Last spin. Yep. After these, I got my little mini dude. You know, you can't always get the big numbers, you know what I mean? Yeah. Alright, 52 bucks and we'll take it. Oh, calm down, little fella. See you on the next one. Alright guys, I was about to give up on this machine. Got us down to under 150 with nothing, but just gave us a free spin bonus. I'm really hoping we get some balls in here. Oh, some jacks. That was like 20 bucks. Oh, there! We didn't even have to have the, you know, changing things. What are they called? Oh, there. We got it all by ourselves. Also, in the last like 10 spins, I've missed the major twice, which I'm not too jazzed about that. Once I missed it by 2 balls, once I missed it by 1 ball. Rude. Like, if you're not gonna give it to me, don't show it to me. Dang it. Well, any words? Where's my mini boy? Is he in there? Last spin. No, it's not. Oh, shit. Well, now last spin. No, it's definitely not. Oh, come on. Biscuits. Last spin. Okay, that was the last spin. Alright, 46 bucks for that, but we're still in the bonus. So we're up to 73. Balls! Nah. Two spins left. Nope. Last spin. Aw. Alright, well, 73 bucks. We'll take it. Alright, guys. I hope this does something because we have gone straight downhill. We're down to like 62 bucks. The last ones were terrible. Aw, my dudes. Them balls got in my way. That's 40 bucks. More dudes. Got any balls in there? Balls, perhaps? No. Ladies. No, I don't think it's going to give us any balls, guys. Crap. Alright, 57.